I subscribed to my blog, I kind of wanted to see what it looked like when it came up in somebody's email. And what I noticed was that because I used white lettering, even though my website is a black background, on an email the white lettering blended in, so all you could see was the picture. So today I thought it would be a perfect time to go through and show you how I created my blog signature, which is along the same lines of how I did my signature banner in my email. So this is the basic, even though I have a 640 by 400 white square. What I'm going to first do to it is I'm going to go in, and because I label most of my images PNGs, they already have an alpha channel. If this were just a JPEG, you would have to go in and add the alpha channel, and what that does is add a layer of transparency. After you do that, you're going to select it by color. I'm going to select the white, and I'm basically just going to go in and clear it off. So this is what I'm left with, a completely transparent picture. Now I already have the picture that I want because I'm making it just about the same as my last one. So all I'm going to have to do is select all and copy. And then I'm just going to paste it in to my transparent image. Over here is a scale tool. I'm just going to take this picture and scale it to the size I want it for my signature. You might not get it right the first time, and then you'll want to use the move tool to move it back up into your area. This is a pretty good size. Now what I like to do, and this is where it's different from Paint, something you can't do in Paint, is I'm going to rotate it. That looks like a good rotation. And then I'm going to move it down just a little bit further. Now with GIMP you can also flip it. If I wanted to, I could make it go that way, but I don't. So now that it's like that, you'll notice I really can't do anything with it. What I'm going to want to do is go over here, and because it's on an all transparent background, I have to anchor it using this anchor right here. Now it's anchored to the background. It's on there. To be able to move it or do anything else to it, I would have to go in and undo anchor floating section. But it's exactly where I want it. So I'm going to go into the text, and I'm actually going to see if I'm going to match the color in my shirt. Now I'm going to go into text. I like my signature to be Jenna Sue. You can go online and go to, I think it's called dafont.com, and you can get tons of free font. Oops, I went way too far. And just remember, different font do different things. I like this one because you can put a little heart in it. So I'll start out with the heart, which is this symbol for Jenna Sue. I'm going to go ahead and increase the size. Okay, once that's done, I just go ahead and I will open a new text box just by clicking anywhere on the screen. Just change that down. Usually I make the heart quite a bit bigger than the actual text. It's all about placement, finding where you like it the best. And then I've been adding my email address. Which is dramatically smaller than the signature. And then I close it. And I just save. I'm going to keep it a PNG. Let's do one blog sig Melissa. And then save it. You'll want to export it and save. And you are good to go. Now this is a freestanding image where you see the checkerboard. That's all going to be transparent. The only thing you will see on a website or page is the picture, the name, and the email address. Everything else, the background will be the same color as the web page that you're putting it on. So if this was on a black background website, the whole background would be black and this would be a freestanding image. I hope this is something that you guys can use and it's a little bit helpful on how to use GIMP. I know it's a difficult program to use, but once you figure out the ins and outs, it's an amazing program, especially considering it's like Photoshop, but just free. I will talk to you guys later.